Hello everyone, it's Nicholas from Quintessential Gent, and if you're anything like me, then you love your Barbour jacket. Recently I had an issue and I misaligned the zipper when zipping it up and couldn't get it undone. Stay tuned to see how I fixed this issue. So here's the mistake I made. I zipped up the zipper and I didn't properly align the bottom edges when I did so. So whenever I unzipped the jacket, it became stuck and it wouldn't come undone. For this fix, you'll need a small screwdriver and a set of pliers. At the top of each zipper is a small clasp. You'll need a screwdriver or some fine edge to pry this open. I used a combination of the two. To speed this video along, I had previously loosened the other clasp. Once both clasps are removed, you want to zip up both zippers up off the tracks so that way you can realign the tracks and zip the zippers back down. As you can see, it'll take a little bit of trial and error to get the alignment just right. Now that we're able to successfully unzip the jacket, we'll go ahead and reattach the clasps. When reattaching the clasp, don't use too much pressure. You don't want to puncture the material. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching.